This is our dog named Felipe. He's a little Chihuahua, he's 6 pounds. He's a cute little boy. He's got a ramp right here because this is his bed here, and he can't get up it on a normal basis without people lifting him up. So my mom constructed this awesome little ramp here, and he goes up. So Felipe, you want to go up? Felipe, you want to go up? Come on, Felipe. Let's put him over here. Stay there, Felipe. Stay. He loves his babies. He loves the squeaking babies. I think he's 5 years old. Come on, Felipe. Felipe. How come you're not going up? There you go. Do it again. Come on, Felipe. Go over your ramp. Come on, go. Good boy. Come on, Felipe. Come on, Felipe. Atta boy. Good boy. Do it, Felipe. You love your little pink shoe, huh?